Hey, it's Josh with eXp Realty, and if you're like most real estate agents and brokers right now, the many that I've been talking with over the last few months, you're looking for more and better ways to find more sellers and to get more listings. I mean, crazy low inventory market, super hot sellers market, and if that's you, then you definitely want to check out the new free online workshop. You can check it out at freelistingsworkshop.com. I'm going to give you 3 surefire ways to get more listings right now. Yes, right now in this crazy hot sellers market. I'll give you a way that you can turn your frustrated buyer clients into seller opportunities. I'm going to walk you through how you can find the sellers in hiding or sellers in disguise right in your existing database and sphere of influence. And then lastly, I'm going to give you my simple 3-step framework for using text messages to get appointments with for sale by owners. And it works great with expireds as well. Now, this is a workshop, so come ready to do work. I'm going to take you through some exercises. I'm going to give you some action items that we're going to do live on the workshop. You may even get some listing opportunities while we are on the call together. So register for free right now, freelistingsworkshop.com, freelistingsworkshop.com. Block out the time. It's going to be about 90 minutes, plus I'll stay on for Q&A, and I promise you it's going to be incredibly valuable for you. So check it out, register, no cost, no charge to attend. Come ready to work, and let's get you some more listings right now.